Hello, my name is Eric Vargas, and my company analysis will be on Cargill Incorporations. Cargill Incorporation was founded by William Wallace Cargill in 1865 as a grain storage facility. Now, since then, Cargill has evolved and now has 5 different business segments which specialize in energy trading, crop and livestock, food, health, and pharmaceuticals, industrial and financial, and risk management, raw material, and electricity and gas. And all this has helped Cargill expand into Canada, South America, and basically the rest of the world. Today, is one of the largest private companies in America with an annual revenue of over 100 billion a year, which now it is considered the number one privately owned company in America. Now, the company report states that sales and other revenues in 2014 were 134,872 million. Net earnings were 1,870 million. Current assets 37,926 million. Net property and other assets 24,403 million. Total assets equaled 62,329 million, and current non-interest liabilities equaled 15,946. Now going into the quarterly report, the first quarterly report states that net earnings of 576 million, down 41% from last year's record quarter of 975 million. First quarter revenue of 33.8 billion matched the year ago period. Now for the second quarter, it reported that net earnings were 556 million in the fiscal, which ended in November 30, up 36% from 409 million in the year ago period. First half earnings were 1.13 billion, down 19% from 1.38 billion a year ago. Second quarter revenue decreased 7% to 32.9 billion, which brought the first half revenues to 66.7 billion. Cargill posted a solid second quarter with earnings improved in the 3 of their 4 segments. Now, for the third quarter, net earnings in the third quarter were 319 million in the fiscal, which ended in February 28, which brought them down 20% from 445 million in the year ago period. 9 months earnings were 1.45 billion, down 21% from 1.84 billion a year ago. Third quarter revenues were 32 billion, essentially even with the year ago period. 9 months revenues totaled 98.7 billion. Now for the fourth and final quarter, net earnings were 424 million in the fiscal, which ended in May 31st, down 12% from 483 million in the year ago period. Fourth quarter revenues rose 2% to 36.2 billion. For the full fiscal year, Cargill earned 1.87 billion, and a 19% decrease from 2.31 billion in the prior year. Revenues declined 1% to 134.9 billion. Cash flows from operations totaled 3.77 billion, down 12% from 4.27 billion in fiscal in 2013.